Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how much does Wix cost. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to admin it. So as you can see right now I'm in plan page, and here we can see two options. One is business and e-commerce plans and another is website plans. So inside of this business and e-commerce plans, the plans start from $17 per month. The business unlimited plans start from $25 a month, and the business VIP plans start from $35 month. And if you go to website plans, and here you will see the connect domain plan start from $4 per month, and combo plans start from $8 per month, and unlimited plan start from $12 per month, and VIP plan start from $24 per month. And now you can select any plan from this list according to your requirements. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to admin it. Thank you for watching.